My thermostat said low batteries, so I replaced the batteries and it says the same thing. I cannot see the temperature due to the message on the screen. Do I need to reset something after replacing the batteries?
Hello. My name is XXXXX I'll do my best to help. What is model on the thermostat?
I can't find the model number. Where should I look? These are the numbers I see inside the door: 78112D1005 and 0226PF1A. These don't look like model numbers, and I don't have an owner's manual.
Should be inside font cover or on subbase. What brand?
It is a Honeywell. It is not inside the front cover. I took off the unit and also the mounting plate, and there is nothing there either.
Some of these thermostats have reset procedures, but would need a model to look it up. Can you upload a picture of the thermostat?
Unfortunately, I don't have the right phone/camera to do that. When I pulled off the unit from the wall, I noticed that the blue wire was not connected. However, the wires were not showing at the end, it was all the blue casing.
The blue was probably not connected to anything. If thermostat has a C, you can see if blue is connected to anything in the unit, and if not, connect it to C. Common in unit and batteries would not be necessary.
I just checked. Where there is a C, there is no screw to connect the blue wire.
Click on this link. Then scroll down and see if you can identify your thermostat.
It doesn't look like any of these. It has no buttons on the outside and one small brown screen window.
Here are a few different things that reset. You can try them. Some have a very small black button in center of a small silver square to push in to reset. Installing batteries backwards for about 15 seconds, holding down up/down temp arrows at same time for about 20 seconds.
I did it and got the time, day and temp. I reset the time and day.
Any luck with the low bat? If not, you may have taken a power spike and have to replace thermostat.
Yes, the low battery message is gone and the time, day and temp is showing through the window. Thank you.
Excellent. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Please remember to rate answer below. airheatman 41677.0980181171.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.